Radio.
Yeah. You can call me Ella. Yo, Misophone. Bam Pan this one. Hey.
Your boy FELO.
Venrap Radio.
Ava mumbura make J and make fam, let's go. Bachis those or Avia Raroi. Who the Chinyara Zinji, the make J. Also, whenever they are very talented, man. Yo, so much respect for that guy when it comes to making music, man. He's good at what he does. But Namsi Armapungwasi Ayuman. Unapungwa hapa noni line labore. Lo daranga man na social media line. Rewano chukwambo pia Vhavenda Arifunani. Na lingwa Vhavenda. This and that. Pedzi wawanori munche watu wanakwamba ngoraroi. Wanakwamba Vhavenda Arifunani. If you look at it, batubash. Zibasiko vana kori not the associate na bonyi. Kana your lifestyle or hunena chiresa hone hodalesa bonyi. That can be on Facebook. Ngori wana watu wana spend most of their time ka Facebook. And what they do mostly in mapungori, they are there to pull other people down. They are there, like they enjoy. Is what you want to talk for baba. Like they do that for fun of it. Ngori baba sinozuno wakwita and vanavangana vane. When you look at the friends, vangana vane, diabala batu vane. If they're doing wrong, these guys celebrate, man. They get more comments and all that. So how about it depends on the space that you're living in, like your surroundings. Ngori aranika Facebook in your words, Facebook friends amu. Obviously, you're only gonna see the bad side of Vhavenda. You go on Twitter, you pick up uri apala no fin Vhavenda ni mini suka. It's a dog eat dog social media. Like hakati wa mwana mungwe, ubudzo mwana mweli ababa, ahuna ndaba rushaka rendirupiyon. But social media wise, on Facebook, it seemed to be centralized because, yeah, you have those friends, only those ones mostly that you want to have, like around you in the moon and apple. Gangeka tweeting with drama. But beside talking about social media, naka life, you nena chiresa on, zia vana koringo chena watuba hani. Abana taizo hela yori, wunji aba tubo grupa nanga uneva vaone. Ngwana. So mbona no grupa nanga chine unena vaone, nyatiberana. And then, the moment uchiva na mutu ane watu wabatini na ye, ane watina ya wori nikongu mimpresa, kana you wanna fit in, or trying to be accepted into the circle. Na filori, if I can, di jensele homu tumato ane ndiya mdibera ane avahuninda vahone, then I'll gain the trust of these guys. Wadombe abure gerege, nanende dobonala wasa mutu. At that end of the day, na wanori, you end up bullying that person to the point that they get depressed because you're exposing things that are not supposed to be out there. This is the vivo. Come on. Vivo line the vivo, the vengo, the nyefura, the sasaradza, no tamera watu susuzabudi. Because you get used to even the one song about Facebook. Bangana bangabot, the whole crew. Or if Nichimrani 40. I'm talking about you like now when the sukana tangana honi na hoi na tangana hoi na wana reni 5 ni hapa the dabang by 5 maybe zura paka ni na wana ziko buya uchi hanging out uchi wa krike uchi wa guy ndri ndi batu bane na chilisana na wana worry they will support everything you post. Come on. Ndi batu bane whatever you do they're always backing you up. So that's what is happening most on the social media. They will be celebrating, even pushing it further. I know because I've experienced that a lot, man. Come on. I've always, and I'm still, there's people that just wait for me to make a small mistake or say something, and then no one ever got dab and jibanja nepala shutongarna zino notoranganiwa. And one of them buya. I'm sorry I was confused with it. I think in that sort of part of the. But yeah, I don't want to go buya what taka and polo kwambos nzo kwambio. But because it's something that I've grown to understand it for the past, I don't know how many years I've been on Facebook, probably 12, 13 now. Yeah, as long as Facebook, I think I joined it just after in a 1 year, 2007. Yeah, somewhere around 2007. That's when I joined Facebook. So it's been a while. Like, honestly speaking, you find those people enjoying, dragging, doing all those things. Happens when you go Vhavenda Arifunani. Who again? Chimwe chithu chiitwa nanga uri hune na bva hone. Nanga sedza fhethu no nga Venda mostly ne. Ho dzula nga nḓila yo raliho. Ini ni bva Western, ini ni bva Venda Njelele, ini ni bva Venda Tshivasa. Ngoralo. Zwiite na ka music ni wana uri because these guys of Vasad near Tshivasa, now they're beefing in hala one of side dza Njelele kwa Khalaba, vonyinyi vanga si hang out na vonyinyi va guy. We can't do this. Songo mara guy ngori wa pio botisa hani, songo ita mini ngori wa pio ita spio. You find that negativity traveling and painting everyone the way no ngapenda ngai. Zinazwazi go lead into division. Kongwan. It divide people. Tumuchipinga. Ni wanori zoraroi anichato andana zwavudi nduri ka social media ndo dzurani go sasala zabaniana uri vanena vadivi chitu. I to find out maybe they even know more than you. Go on. Now wanori ngori ni vamakuya, they look down on you. No ngori ini driving or dressing up like this. You find those people making sure they're going to drag you down. They're going to embarrass you on social media. They'll do whatever it takes to make you feel like you're nobody. Even if you cannot do you are the one you are the one who never want to get to make fun of. Come on. So the group is noni zinezo abahone. The only problem in abana hezo zitungori. You only side and back people that you they are around you. They live with you. They're your homies. All that kind of shit. Come on. So group was skim sami boni nyane skim changa mini zisia zikopata mavengo. Because I can tell you, musically we had your FWO, you had your Mac J, your Bomb, your Mesophil, like everyone back in the days. If those guys had joined forces and worked together, music would be far. But guess what? It was all about fighting. And moskela fight na sezai. Ndipatu wana zi issues za maya ni mostly when they come to social media, they just enjoy provoking people. That's the only place where they feel peace. They can fit in, but like on social media, what you fit in, now they enjoy hating other people on social media, but in real life, they're miserable. There are those that are miserable, and there are those that are fine in life, like they got it all, but they're not happy. Their soul is not happy. Mbiluni zabo otsuka para, oswipara, matunguni nduri. Because they can't fit in, and the only way to fit in society is either by it's either to make sure that somebody is not happy at all. So whether social media, whether it's real life, but they just want to fit in. So the main issue again is about fit in. Asuri Vhavenda Arifunani nga man ribanji bane rofarana, we live together, we enjoy and everything. But then, even if 4 or 5 in Chirisana, there will always be that one that will come from outside, trying to fit in and make sure that we dismantle everything that you guys have been building. Because that person wants to be respected. They want to be the boss of the crew. They want to be head. They want to lead. The WhatsApp group shit that's happening, the admin group ya WhatsApp, they will tell you where to get off. Because ndi one leader ya WhatsApp group. Utoamba chitu nimuzofini do visio. Uto posta chitu niko buzwa milayo. Uto this thing niko buzwa this. Nichiringa apa because there's people that feel being an admin of a WhatsApp group, they got the power, all the power in the world. Come on. So those WhatsApp groups now, the new one goes to create one that cheese boy, the create one that guy and I worry is the one that buys beer on the weekend. That one I want the leader kabende. That one I worry can have access to certain things, or they can design, they can write, they can do anything. Now everybody must worship them. Come on. Then they create and influence people. So those guys that can influence others, whether it's social media, whether it's in real life, it's dangerous. They're making sure risalari chingari Arifunani. Come on. So we are divided because of even where we come from. 100% ro divide wanga ngwendila ina itakadzi. Zifisa tungu ngori nangari ndiko dia west western nge bathu so ndiko then okay, come on, what the heck, that's guy bethu, come on. No. So that's the one issue in here we end up having. But again, zvinozvaita uri vona uri vhavenda vafunani dzimwe chaka dziyafunana uri dzimwe chaka dzichivona vhavenda dzivona ungari vhavenda vafunana upira dzone. It's because of hune na chira hone, hune na toa hone. Social media in here is the one you have access to. So if you you part of these circles, like you part of the whole social media society, doesn't matter the venda and the gia and the malamulele na konya deben and KZN Ravianalo Eastern Cape. If you have all these kinds of people and you need access na the social media, come on, you get to understand that drama and Rabaneo Venda, it's happening everywhere in South Africa. It's happening everywhere in Africa. It's happening everywhere overseas. Come on. There's always those dramas. If you're in different music groups, damn, you get to see a lot of things, man. Your music groups is even worse. It's so bad that no matter how you release the greatest song, they're always going to find a way to say, this is not nice. Reason being, they just impress their friends. Come on, they're trying to impress their circle. They start tagging their crew. Because by the time they tag them, it's because they've called them or text them on WhatsApp. They've already said everything that they're supposed to say to them that, yo, come on board, you know. But yeah, man, we're out of time, guys. I've already gone over 10 minutes. I think I don't know. If you want me to touch other topics, yeah, man, you can still bring them on. I'll do my best. This is the Higher Table Podcast. Nita Furani, up on the Venrap Radio. I'm hoping I'm going to bring more episodes like this because there are times that I really feel like there's a lot of things that I really want to say. I really want to look at. I really want to let it out there so people can understand how certain things are happening in this world. We once had a newspaper, I think Nika left. I didn't get my gumoni, a newspaper when you won't pay Pavo. I like what I'm working with. I was only one Maroko, Marogana, Kandana Muromo, Moraza Kandana Muromo, Umuneza Muso, Akushumus, Nawa Musa. So it's one of the way old newspaper. I just came across it. So, but yeah, man, enough about that. So, Rambango, Vhavenda Arifunani, Vhavenda Arifunana, but Taizo, this group. Man, we found Urunina Vaone. Nichivani pasi, let's jail as an example. Niko the veraninge pasi never to about that joke nga sargent in nian. Nichibo ya hayani nichibo dana majita no vanning no said that Tandoka and Joe Beck and whoever than Darera. You trying to make those guys Bakaslan Filori. In you're the man, you're the lady, Nis Kokochada. Like you're trying to make other people feel bad. Nana again what to no majita not don't feel is very well geron and mean what they're trying to make you feel or you're nobody. Because they want to fit in or they just want to earn respect. And they don't understand respect. You don't just get in respect. Respect your raro quickly goes away, man. Come on. Because buying respect is something else. But yeah, man, this is the Venrap Radio. Ndiba funa zone. So let me bounce. Until then, I don't know na kumno ringat sezana na orichi apanda. 0826937124 riamba. But trying to get to the point, not just say hey, nah. So yeah, man, Vhavenda Vahashu. Yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna name this whole thing is gonna be called Vhavenda. So I'm gonna look at different topics. Also, there's a lot of things I'm planning to bring out here. Let's look at it and see how it goes. Let's document this thing.